Welcome, fellow artists and friends, back to the studio. I want to explain a little deeper the shapes that I've been cutting out of corrugated cardboard. This kind of supports the video that's called number 21 on my art channel. And I'm taking these, extrapolating them out of my big abstract paintings, and I'm taking them piecemeal and adhering them to the wall using tacky material and thumbtacks. And basically what I'm creating in the wall becomes like a preliminary sketch, but I'm also thinking of ideas how to make these archival with different coatings and use these to create three-dimensional paintings. So let's go up here and take a look at this now. Thank you. This is what I adhere to the wall with the tacks and sticky material, and you can see how it's really just a three-dimensional sketch, which I can derive a lot of new ideas and imagery from to use in the future. And in the future, I might adhere these to another kind of surface with adhesive, and then I have to figure out a way to make these archival with what I think I'm going to use is a form of shellac, and then gesso that, or start to adhere these maybe on a particle board or a firmer surface. But the key is to make it very archival, because corrugated paper, corrugated cardboard will disintegrate quite easily because of the acid content in the cardboard. But a lot of cardboard work in museums done by Toulouse-Lautrec. I think it's Edward Vuillard, and these are from the 1880s, so museums have figured out how to preserve the life of this type of work. So I hope you enjoyed this, and this video is in support of the video number 21 that you'll see.